Hi everyone, this is Chelsea. Welcome to my mini lecture about internal validity. So internal validity is the observed change in the dependent variable that is truly caused by the corresponding change in the independent variable that was first hypothesized, and not by variables external to the research context. And the threat that I chose that threatens internal validity was confounding. Confounding means that there is an additional variable or influence that changes the effect of the dependent and independent variable. The example that I chose to help explain it is going to be based off of a theoretical experiment that I would put forth. So because I work for a dermatologist, I love everything skin related, and I'm going to pretend that I'm conducting an experiment based off of acne breakouts and skincare. So my premise and my hypothesis is to conduct an experiment about the correlation between the use of Retin-A and acne breakouts. Just a little back history, Retin-A is a vitamin A related cream that helps with acne breakouts. It's also used as anti-aging. It has anti-aging purposes as well, so a lot of older women will use it as well. But mainly it chemically exfoliates the skin, so it could also help with acne breakouts. So my experiment is going to be based off of a group of patients who break out with acne, and we are going to have them use Retin-A on their faces for about 3 months. So we're going to monitor, take photos, before and after photos, to see how their acne breakouts progress after the 3 months, and we're going to see if they had any improvements after using Retin-A for 3 months. So there can be some possible issues with this experiment. There are a lot of confounding variables involved. So there's many different things that can affect a patient's acne, and it could be hormones, their age, their gender even, the severity of their acne from when we started the experiment. Every person can vary. Genetics can play a role on acne breakouts. So there's so many external variables that can affect these patients during this experiment. So I would say that this experiment has very little strong internal validity. So this is a great example because there's so many other variables that can affect these patients throughout this experiment, like the ones that I mentioned. Thank you for watching.